The source, of course. Writing net-friendly articles does not mean we can automatically leave out any mention of our sources. There is a tendency for many writers to simply write their material and not cite their sources, particularly when it is obvious that a source has been quoted somewhere within the body of the article. Generally, what I do when it comes time to mentioning sources for an internet article, I attempt to first find that information on the internet and, if it is there, I simply provide anchor links in my article back to that source. In addition, I try to link directly to the page where the information is listed instead of pointing someone to the site's index page. Why make it difficult for your readers to find out exactly where you obtained your information? Take them directly to the source, of course. Other than that, I add the customary and appropriate resource information in my footers, or endnotes as some would call them, at the end of the article. Some may disagree with my methodology, particularly with my anchor link citations, but it appears to be the best way to cite sources in this information age. Remember, flexibility is the key when writing for the internet, but not at the point of failing to cite the appropriate sources when it is necessary to do so.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.